Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And as we can see, yesterday we did hold the 55 EMA, which is excellent. But now it's the weekend, and now it's time for shenanigans. Weekend is usually counter direction to what the week was. So counter direction. It's was going up all week. During the weekend, it can fluctuate sideways and down, take some liquidity back before going back. Just keep in mind that as long as we're above the 55, it is very, very good. We need to stay above $23,438. And as long as we stay above that and don't close any 15-minute candles underneath it, we should be looking for sideways and up. As we close under 23,438, we have the possibility of probably testing to the 21, which is around 22,500, and then see if that gives us a bounce. Losing that level under there, we are going to probably look for much lower. Maybe we get a bounce at around 22,000, but after that, I'm looking for around 20,800 to give us our uh, support confirmation or rejection. If we lose this level, all this support is going to be up for grabs if we start breaking down and start coming to the previous low. It will also start looking like a head and shoulder situation to me, which is not the greatest formation. Until then, this is an ascending channel. Not the most bullish thing, but yes, it is ascending. We are looking for our resistance up in this area, which is around 25,500. And if we do get past that, we're looking for 26.8. And until the day closes, we won't know. We just need to stay above this level and close like this. If we close like this today, we should probably extend into the high and then take out the high by tomorrow and see where we go from there before CME opens again on Sunday at 6 p.m. Central. Looking at the 4-hour on Bitcoin, yeah, this does look pretty decent. The 21 has not even been tested for a while, so if you do pull back, I would say the 21 would be the great area for the bounce, which is around 23,438. As long as we're above that, we're good. If we can get above this previous high, it would be phenomenal. Above $24,450, closing 15-minute candles above there would probably initiate the next move to the $26,800 area. The last thing I want to point out to everyone to be very careful about is, yes, it looks very good, everything looks solid, but we have some wicks coming off of this area, so someone does seem to be protecting this level, and this could roll over because we are also declining on volume. So we have a little bit of volume divergence. Volume is declining, price is increasing. That's bearish volume divergence. We got to see now, is this weak volume in the weekend gonna prove that it is gonna hurt people by one person shorting market heavily here and just bringing down the market and liquidating all these over leveraged longs? So just be careful about this. This is for Bitcoin, okay? We gave you the levels. We're very close near the top resistance, the bottom support, and then the bottom resistance is right here, 22,300. Anything under 22,300, we're looking for lower. All right. Okay, let's go to the daily on Ethereum. Daily on Ethereum, definitely better than Bitcoin. The 2155 are just about to cross. If this cross fails, price action will go under and below. So keep that in mind. The first warning sign will be if you are under 1650. 15-minute closes under 1650, or I want to say 1640. You're gonna have the possibility of going straight to the 21, which is at 1500. And then if this bounce fails, you'll see price go down much quicker. Okay, much quicker. So keep an eye on this. Today at close, if we close sideways, this will cross over. If not, and we start seeing rejection here, you'll see this actually start hurtling away from the 55, and that'll give us the first sign that, hey, this is the resistance, we are going to roll over. So keep that in mind. If we can claim above 1770 with 15-minute open and closes, we can look for higher targets such as 1800, and then this previous monthly, this 1940, 1950. That's the area we're looking for. Yeah, that's the area we're looking for short. I was already pointing out that this was an area that I would have liked to short, the 1760 to 1785 area. It actually was a perfect hit. We're watching to see now if this breaks back into the channel that it broke out of, which is right there. Let me extend that a little. Sorry about that. So if this price action gets back into this channel, it's not going to be healthy. What I also wanted to point out was we were looking for this inverse head and shoulder to play out, played out exactly what we were looking for. So I would say now, since this played out, this is probably what's going to happen. Something around the lines of this, this, this. Something along the lines is what I'm looking like that. So even if we get a little bit of resistance here, we'll probably come here, bounce back up one more time, take out those shorts, and then roll over into the channel and break down. Hopefully this does not happen, but if this does, we're looking for our support at around 1650, and then losing 1650 we can look for much lower. But right now we are finding support on the top of this channel, and I am expecting whoever shorted to be taking their profits out soon-ish, if not already, because this doji is kind of making it look like we might go lower. So I mean, some people would have took profit on this channel where we broke out of and tested back, and some people are trying to long here to go higher. So just be very precautious. If you're in position of profit, take it, okay? Right now, Ethereum is showing you that the retracement is on a little bit, but Bitcoin is showing you strength. So you have to see how that plays out. Let me go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, this was the first level that to be shorted. Now I'm looking for this level over here around 1900 to 1975 for the next level. So I can just put that around here. There. When this comes back up here, this short was perfect. We can let that go. I'm looking for these levels now. So clear. Probably come in over here. If this steps, steer steps. So this right here, this flag, if this flags, we can get a 1-to-1 up, right? Oh, here, I'll show you this. Something like that, okay? So if this plays out the way it is, we should see it pop up to like around 1850, 1875 area and see some resistance. And then if we can claim above it, we will probably go right into these other areas that we're looking for. And this was a very, very poopy local fib grab. So, I mean, not the highest confluence, but I did it anyway. And this is what we're looking at. So I'm just going to remove this. I just use that for confluence because all the others line up anyway. But yeah, we're looking for a move probably up here. The squeezing that's going on at this channel and this EMA is these people, if they shorted it, they should have took their profit. If we start losing the 21, I'd be okay. But if this 21 is providing wicks, this is probably going to go up to this 1875 level and then roll over, like I was showing you this other head and shoulder situation. This was an inverse head and shoulder. Now I'm waiting for the head and shoulder to play out now. So all those shorts are going to probably get punished. I would definitely take profit on shorts. If you're taking a long here, that's fine, but you better have a stop loss underneath the 21 in case this weekend magic occurs. And then, yeah, you're long, make sure you start taking profits at these other levels because the CME is close. So even if we start pumping up to this, when Sunday rolls around, we will flush back. So there's no gap. Majority of the time, that will happen. So just be wary of that, okay? We're going to remove this nonsense too because this already played out. So there you go. All right, guys. Well, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum for you guys. I will hope to see you guys later today or tomorrow to follow up for CME weekly close. And then if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll get back to you ASAP. If you could, I would greatly appreciate you pressing the like button, the subscribe button, and pressing the bell notification button so you guys can get these real-time updates as soon as they come out. And aside from that, if you have any other questions or concerns or any other assets you would like me to cover, leave it in the section below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe.